Hi everyone and welcome to workshop number 1 by Breakthrough at Pitt. My name is Maliha and I am one of the student leaders this year, and I'm going to show you all how to make a vision board. I find a vision board to be very useful to lay out your long-term goals in a creative and visual manner. It's easy to create if you have a little time too. I like having a vision board because it's a nice reminder of what I'm working towards, especially if I'm feeling a little discouraged or stressed. So let's get started. I decided to use Google Slides so that we can practice some skills that can be applied to PowerPoints you may need in the future. So first, I laid out a pattern background as a base for the vision board. You can click on background and either choose a solid colored background if you'd like, or you can choose something a little more unique and download a picture from Google and upload it here. Next, I have some pictures already on the slide to show some examples of what you may consider putting on your vision board. Here's a picture from a graduation ceremony, which is something you all are working towards as middle school and high school students. Many of you may have a dream job or a specific career goal in mind, so I have some pictures of potential careers as a nurse, researcher, lawyer, teacher. Feel free to be open about your career goals and add anything you are interested in. If you have any hobbies you want to continue in the future, or even pick up a new hobby, add them. Here's a picture of an orchestra, if you like playing an instrument, or if you like sports, such as track and soccer. You can also add places you'd like to travel to in the future, or anything that's on your bucket list as well. Once you have picked out your pictures, play around with the frames, choose borders, choose different colors. You can also add shapes to make the board more visually appealing. Rearrange your pictures however you like and add some text. I'm going to show you a few examples of complete vision boards next. Here's my completed vision board. It includes pictures from my future graduation from Pitt, my career goals of becoming a physician, places I want to travel, and foods I want to learn how to cook. Here are some other great examples by other Breakthrough at Pitt tutors.